Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Mini Cell Phone Tower is probably one of the most innovative solutions for boosting your mobile signal in areas with notoriously weak reception, offering a compact yet powerful way to ensure you stay connected whether you're at home, in a remote office, or even enjoying the great outdoors. This device is designed to create a personal microcell zone, significantly improving call quality, data speeds, and overall reliability where traditional cellular service falls short, making dropped calls and slow internet a thing of the past. Number 5. Hiboost Cell Phone Signal Booster. Tired of weak signals in your home or office? This device enhances your cellular reception, covering up to 4,000 square feet across multiple rooms. Experience clearer calls, faster texts, and smoother streaming for everyone. No matter who your provider is, this booster has you covered. It's compatible with all major US and Canadian carriers, supporting 2G, 3G, 4G LTE, and 5G. You can rely on it long-term, even if you switch plans. Get ready for lightning-fast 5G speeds. This booster is 5G compatible, delivering high-speed data where you need it most. Ensure your area supports 5G in existing 4G bands for the best experience. Setting up is a breeze with our helpful app. It guides you through the process with step-by-step instructions and videos. Plus, no drilling is required, simply feed the wire through your window. Built with carrier-grade quality and a smart chip, this booster ensures stable and durable performance. It's FCC approved and meets all safety standards, giving you peace of mind. What we like. If you need to cover a large home or office space with up to 4,000 square feet, this is a great option. It works with all US carriers and even supports 5G. The app-assisted installation makes setup a breeze, even for beginners. What people say. The Mini Cell Phone Tower is a compact and portable device designed to enhance cellular signal strength in areas with poor reception. Its advanced antenna technology ensures a stable and reliable connection, allowing for clearer calls and faster data speeds. The tower features a user-friendly interface with simple setup and operation, making it accessible for all users. Number 4. Sonos Play 3, 2011, Black. Experience sound that's richer and deeper than before. It's perfect for any space where you have a little more room to fill. Connect it to your Amazon Echo or any Alexa-enabled device. Then, simply ask for the music you love to hear. Play different songs in different rooms simultaneously. Or, enjoy one song played in perfect sync throughout your entire home. Get set up in just 5 minutes using your home Wi-Fi. You can easily expand your system over time by adding more speakers whenever you're ready. Wirelessly stream all your favorite music services. Enjoy everything from Amazon Music and Pandora to Apple Music and Spotify. What we like. For those who prioritize audio quality and seamless integration with smart home devices, this speaker is a fantastic choice. It delivers a deeper sound than its smaller counterpart and allows you to control your music with just your voice. If you enjoy filling your home with synchronized sound or playing different tunes in different rooms, this is perfect for you. What people say. The Mini Cell Phone Tower is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Its innovative design allows for quick setup and disassembly, which is very convenient for on-the-go use. The tower provides a stable and reliable signal, ensuring consistent connectivity even in remote areas. Number 3. Hiboost Cell Phone Signal Booster for Home Office. Tired of dropped calls and slow internet? This device amplifies your existing cell signal, providing a stronger, more reliable connection throughout your home office. Enjoy faster downloads, smoother streaming, and clearer calls. No matter who your provider is, this booster has you covered. It's compatible with Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and many more, ensuring you get enhanced service regardless of your carrier. It supports a wide range of cellular bands for optimal performance. Stay connected with the latest technology. This booster is compatible with both 5G and 4G LTE networks, supporting multiple devices simultaneously. Eliminate dead zones and enjoy a consistent, dependable cellular connection at home. Setting up is a breeze with the intuitive LCD screen and the helpful Hiboost Signal Supervisor app. You can easily find the optimal placement for the antenna. Plus, it comes with excellent US customer support, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and a 3-year warranty. Experience superior signal reception thanks to its professional directional antenna. This design allows it to capture signals from farther away and with greater strength compared to standard antennas, ensuring a robust connection. Rest assured, this signal booster is FCC approved and built with automatic gain control (AGC) technology. It self-adjusts for peak performance and operates with low noise, providing a stable and efficient signal enhancement. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable signal booster for a moderately sized home or office up to 2,000 square feet, this model is a strong contender. It boasts an HD display for easy monitoring and a more powerful directional antenna for better signal reception. If you need a stable connection and appreciate clear visual feedback on performance, consider this one. What people say. The mini cell phone tower is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Its innovative design allows for quick setup and seamless integration with existing networks. The tower boasts an impressive signal range, ensuring reliable connectivity even in remote areas. Number 2. Hiboost Cell Phone Signal Booster for Home Office. Tired of weak cell signals in your home or office? This device is designed to significantly improve your reception, ensuring you stay connected. With its powerful design and multiple indoor antennas, it can cover up to 8,000 square feet. This means a strong signal in multiple rooms, even in previously weak signal areas. Enjoy crystal clear calls, smooth video streaming, and faster internet speeds. It boosts your signal from 1 bar to 3 or 4, supporting multiple users and devices at once. No matter who you are with, this booster is compatible with all US carriers and supports all network types, including 5G. You get reliable service wherever you are. Featuring automatic gain control, it intelligently optimizes signal strength without manual adjustments. You can easily monitor its performance through the app or built-in display. Rest assured with a 3-year warranty, a 3-month return policy, and lifetime technical support from our US-based team. It's FCC certified for safe and legal operation. What we like. For the ultimate in signal coverage, this booster is designed to blanket up to 8,000 square feet with a strong signal, ideal for large homes, offices, or even rural properties. With 2 indoor antennas, it ensures robust connectivity from multiple users and devices simultaneously. If you have extensive weak signal areas and need to keep everyone connected, this is the solution. What people say. The mini cell phone tower provides a stable and reliable signal boost, ensuring consistent connectivity even in areas with weak reception. Its compact and discreet design allows for easy placement in any room without being obtrusive. Setup is straightforward, and the tower's advanced features offer customizable network settings for optimal performance. Number 1. Nulaxy Dual Folding Cell Phone Stand. Introducing a set of 2 convenient, compact, and durable phone stands. They are perfect for holding your phone anywhere, whether you're at work or at home, making your smart life more enjoyable. This holder is easily adjustable to the perfect position for your needs. Its portable design allows it to collapse completely, making it an excellent desk companion for various activities. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this stand offers a sturdy and stable support for your device. It firmly keeps your phone in place without any wobbling. Worry-free usage is ensured with protective rubber pads. These pads shield your phone from scratches and prevent slippage, keeping your device secure. You don't need to remove your phone case to use this stand. Its generous hook width accommodates even heavy cases, ensuring broad compatibility. This versatile stand is compatible with all smartphones and e-readers. It works seamlessly with a wide range of devices, including the latest iPhone and Samsung models. What we like. If you need a convenient and sturdy way to prop up your phone for hands-free use, this 2-pack of aluminum stands is an excellent value. They are fully adjustable, portable, and built to last, making them perfect for desks, nightstands, or even travel. If you like having a dedicated spot for your phone while watching videos, video calling, or following recipes, these are a great pick. What people say. The mini cell phone tower offers a compact and portable solution for extending cellular coverage. Its innovative design allows for easy setup and operation, making it user-friendly for various applications. The tower features advanced signal amplification technology, ensuring a strong and reliable connection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.